yetimi aplock bi ne yedi enti nkoma ayedi no e wo se obi na kokko dua na efefe na ebenyine so aba mienya. In 2013 Real Madrid had this vision of widening the scope. Into Madrid, ASSADia, obe teaming up with a Georgian club, Dinamo Tbilisi, no money omedi Juma. Now they will start a football academy. This was circa 2011-2012. And it's our football academy, no. Omobe providing opportunities for enkoda omo Georgia Montensua. And namsa ho treni e inti omunyo opportunity ni to say bi o akode bi o England, akode bi o USA, akode bi o Spain. So Madrid set up that academy there. 2013 Omosma ambassador Edema Bobokono, who was also a player then, Cristiano Ronaldo. Into Ronaldo ko observe here or a star player wako, then he went to familiarize with them or the shen kwadano sun crying. And Ranajo. Abra Georgia Asia Portugal no. Akoda ba kwa no kasa ankoda na Ronaldo ko shiomo no. He was the star of the show. Yeah. And he wore the number 7 jersey. Maybe in justification say Ronaldo inspiration no nyae no. Afedi ono so the ababa so aba. Until before the game cry no. Kvaratskhelia ne beka say it will be a dream to play and then get the jersey of Cristiano Ronaldo. Yebeba so. But say or the picture ni to su bi wa. O say ya circle akoda bi 3 ho. Sakodana ya second 3 hono. That was a young Kvaratskhelia who was by then 12 years. Now in 2024, at the age of 23, Kvaratskhelia is playing against 39-year-old Cristiano Ronaldo. So dreams do come true. He believed, he dreamt, but he worked for it. So dream, believe. But what na said the one Sasha with them refemua, unyam fasobi and femfrim. This a way you send the Bible ne kind. So if you go to Georgia, me a Christopher Pan, and they believed the word and they worked the word, and then the miracle came to them. And also Ababe Shomonsa and the year bon de ro. And ra. So what call Georgia Mountain Swa? The political tension is social chaos. No mutuni in yo. The only time you see countries or people from a certain country, so or more top political party flags are too mountains. So no be for the national flag, you know. When a football match or a sporting event is taking place. Sharak, so start the video ni bion. As a car back could be the audio, they are called Pim Cram and him grade 2. Akomianko for Nibia. Or more the car near rough sa. And they are called Pim Maka and number 2. So you can see the people on the street and they are proudly hoisting the flag of Georgia. Akomiaka and Nebano. The light back across a boss still. Or BTS street no watching any idea. A football hundo and actually abromo. Enra. Normally, in recent months, we have a man for a year protest. Or more Georgian street or more year protest. No, Enra. As a time on mobile born fancy, na baby a D obi a shane demo shebi. Yeah. Minim say Sharak video no be because a game man e do mo kwa no. Debi football no. E mo refi Jordan Club ka say we say football is the sport for 90 minutes. It makes you forget your problems or your individual or your family and also your country. So for this period, the people of Georgia omo refi say o man no sabi ye twa atum. O man no yeah, protest, yeah, they forgot about that. And Obi Asha Demo say go back, go, me go. And after the game, they stepped onto the street. Me so say we political rivals and that is what football does. So Georgia might use football to fast track the process or more admitted into the EU. And then there's their goalkeeper, Mamardashvili. You always need heroes. And I say you need a protagonist in every plot and subplot. The subplot was qualification. The protagonist of Georgia qualification was penalty shootout. Mamardashvili, the hero. Yeah. And Rasusa, they had won. They were leading 2-0. But his saves also propelled them to get there. So the main protagonist, will be the Georgia national team, the players, and then the coach. And I think say Omati or mine anymore, Esefata, see a ball, my so fancy. The second significant moment be the story of Joseph Ilicic. I say we makawa hada. Say A man for be the story out there is that COVID time na LSH or coffee no akwasa or quite no people today so I have said this and said this countless times, but reference to this Osha picture we are. This is the new welcoming the old who has become the new.
Yes.
Shesko the face of Slovenian football. LSH na ne kita sa title no, but for something mental health issues he went off. Now on his return 955 days later, precisely, the last game of Bomo in the competitive fixture was the 14th of November 2021. Omone Cyprus World Cup qualifier. Exactly. If you know LSH at the age of 35 years, the national team na kakwenya ni ho. But this picture is symbolic. Shesko na CCA no or the face of the country's football. He is welcoming the one who was previously the face of the country's football. By way of a brilliant idea. The Slovenian coach Majic Kek to welcome LSH and then perhaps bid him a befitting goodbye. Kek and the LSH na started Slovenia national team no. Ono ne bua pejo moa ye nyomo be ye dia mo na emra ne ho tre na he's gone into oblivion obi ankai ni bion because of issues there na to no. LSH is a brilliant talented footballer but ne past always haunts him. Ne past the hunting and saying, we angasa ninchi Croatia. Omo can Yugoslavia for Nubi. Now when the breakaway happened in 1992, when they didn't talk kwako by into when you won at the age of 1 year old, and you kune papa due to war. Into my many years say, baby omo wa Bosnia hono. I was so free because in Tokwani mo pa. So the mami efa we ni nua. And na omo dwane ya omo call crying. It was Slovenia, no now. So he is a Slovenian, but he has different identities. He was Bosnia, Ninchi free Croatia, Yatitino Slovenia. Ne past na hunting in say he grew up in war-torn societies. Maybe a con koso. And Tisadia, Debian he saw people dying. Ambulance abefa man for the omoko. Enti mass death. Send ni pe wube Gugu street so we hubia. Oba Italy. A quite of us who Italy quite impressive. Na Paliemo ne club offense Maribor, Babebo. This was in 2010-2011. Anna Paliemo for no Esma scout ebi akomia. Se onko monitor Maribor for no form tactics in bra. Scout ne ekoye adwuma ni wie baby bia no. Oni report or the koi. Or the way kwa report ne koi. Wan fa team ne tactics anko. Or se wa ko who player bi.
On a hard.
Na se Paliemo for na antono a. Obi be fan dachi. So he did not bring a detailed scouting report on NK Maribor. He brought a report on LSH. Omo a true. Omo share or shawo.
Sompa sports.
And no Italy no. He came to work with Gianpiero Gasperini of
Atalanta.
Palermo and San Crano. Atlanta. And there's a super coach. You don't know what the future holds. Munsia Diana. Mano ya. Many was ya in there. Ochina. Minim baby ameshia enti wasa mehwese ende me ne wonkita hodie no ni
say ne besiako
ene se ne be ya obia ntia ne nyonko ne nanti ye de nsua de na kasasa ye beba so enti one Gasperini ye adwuma wie he went to Fiorentina ho no then he suffered a lymph node infection ana edene kan to ho na ne teammate so ba be we Davide story it affected him so he went off. And no bounce back. Fiorentina 4-1 in Atlanta Kofai. Atlanta Kofai no obe bo ne boni ye de obeye bia. Then COVID struck. COVID-19 ne baya a domino wu obegamo no. It reminded him of his past.
Yes.
And was sansunya infection lymph nodes no. Yes no joint sports be a war and mostly relates to a wo kon anyway. So onye bi no the fear was that and your babewu. Because he suspected or no mom when you COVID. Na omo begamo na COVID or mu and the onus when you be the obeying. Then he went to remind himself of the past. War-torn Slovenia. Ye kunkuma man for street. And it's also a daho. Not ambulance, no when neighbor so be we be fan. So that affected his mental psyche. And I went to me and the Sompa sports. one Gasperini Abuano coaches oni omuye adwuma the anti Simunza ewo NK Maribor. He helped revive him after going off. And a national team coach, Matthias Kek, and so Edenaba back so that Obenya that heroic goodbye or deserve it. Once again, be careful your interaction with coaches or your footballer.
And our players,
you never know when.
We don't be a candle open.
Messi, you never know when. Wait, national team coach no ni man. Sabi, ko bunenimtiaki cancer phone trainer.
The quality is crowded.
Born on the
by now, Cranko.
Me, what I see as the intention, their coach Niyaman and they say he's a
Sompa Sports,
a Slovenian star. What your mind in him? Omoba Irosa at the age of 35. No coach will do this for a player. It depends on the relationship.
Okay. Well, yababe ko break na abaye bana yababe twaso e de free one mom Fibo Ventures our toothbrushes and a toothpaste and so pebito odrupo segolin and our doom area how benya bi dudo bia wo pebiano won sa ebeka Ashford Princess executive friendly Ashford Galaxy and evidence your get color toothpaste Unlock toothpaste afe peppermint and fresh about toothpaste linano and so ebeboa amonum ayhwam kama usene benya na ho don gam ebenya ho den and what chebere raw sentem ama chesa prepiano chesa wanim ebemenya ukoni ti ede ato nchen enti kopab fibo wo mo product ni bi eto na euzi 0241 545646 0200 600 934. Yes, yanko break. I'm now real quick. Near me to us.
One me tell say wo ba no say wo Canada.
Oh, woko school.
Na yesi ajape aba no so okọ na nso no de okoye adwuma.
Me say amanfo akọ no. Enya gro.
Jaye no ho na de won okọ saa no.
Oh, Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Pese otukwa akwa ama no ne de. Wo de obekọ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Let's say a visit. And now to Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa wadobeko. Say ya juma soa wadobeko Dubai. Kakhe chira kwan e Kumasi. Asafo labor runabout wa. Encrying Kanachi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani Silver House, Ewo High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Yabe Tamale Teaching Hospital, Takrade Market Circle, and our offices. Our my bebre so telephone 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and ya what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say mani peduan kwamwa enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwaso akra wonyanya mfirisia dumienu anum bi wopemfo ene oba wo makra nufo enso anum bi time HH Heba Mr. wubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yadro say FDA adje edwadie nkratoe atum.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. Ninya Ashford.
Na ninya Ashford dear. Na so evident no way.
Who that the evidence ben? Ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya moku hu. Ashford Princess. And obra ko judie no so Ashford Galaxy. Wo de na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media yin so Ashford Executive. And now media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush. My dear, Ashford
Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Eya papa, eya moto. Ne to me bra dodomi ye dani bia akwashishaho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Eya Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. Etu phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They were so winning.
If I shop, I'm going to show you a bag.
And not to be.
Let me share and see about Queen Wayne say.
Bra, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy fearful, and not the about ever so.
Really, do this offending now.
Bra, so me cousin me the time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Misha?
I never go, dear, and what I want to me any deal. What do any time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one ma for down for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the time about Mr. Draven. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a GD malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be at Ziba, a woman. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to draw namu. FDA Aji a judging crotway at home.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hieye pa enye brakasa nko nuaban ne haban bi te se kwunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwenunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na ba akwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma ba akon freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma ba akon woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agiatum
Efiewura nom mo fa maso mfa mekakra na nneje sama bakrom mo amodan ho papai mo a ensuoso no nom fam no ama ho nyina frofro any leakages ahodo eham wo mu fie iPon2 contractors added the polystyrene insulation aba eno na babua medan na papai no any ensu a eno nom dan no ho ama ho nyina frofro no eto nyina betwa iPon2 contractors say so what to blocks na wia enhia so be plaster kra bi omo wo fiber cement plastering mortar ye dey fa dan no ho nyina enhia so be to cement on twa bia na wonhia painting so esanse iPon2 contractors e the fiber cement plastering mortar no efa ho wia ebe te se de ya painting dan na wiempo enti dan ho be ya so na ha fefefe iPon2 contractors ama se de nema yefo e de ama fie wuranom ne bo nso da fom na efe wo de your dan so e chemfie pi na emfa e hyew bia so e maw dem iPon2 contractors are expert in construction interior and exterior decorations e wo fie ahodo nyinem de hia ni so be from 0555 118-684. Shishayan.
Ewa Abrepo Junction, ship mu a ben JP filling station.
iPon2 contractors wo we die. En so bia no nom ye dan bie. Dan ni nyina so be ye fafi bo.
Original Games 2024. Wole monko. Ghana's all-time top scorer, former Black Stars captain, Samuajan, the Baby Jet at the Original Games 2024 edition of the best show. Original Games, a mini Olympics. Just a man tam doing siya walk. My Ghana muno. Women na abesi akan mu ebi. Na the tiani say we are babuno. So your bar and now bema when you finishia edu watri aircono. You wa wekensia udwo. Ebi any football, volleyball, arm wrestling, boxing, athletics, basketball, table tennis, and lawn tennis. So ni misa gwemu bia oya dia. Bomodi akwa your website www.allregionalgames.com. Nako register Emma Omantamu. The unya de registration no eye ebia Ghana card, and now passport or national health insurance card or birth certificate. And on how to register. So your registration if you are you be data or the be call mantamu awumunumu no akwa justify your inclusion. Omadi mo swani pe mantam no ebefa wo e de wo aka won final team a wode ba the grand finale a ebeba so 4th November e wo enkrano eho ana trophies medals ani a chede ahodo a eda so no mantam no nyina ebehia no mo dia feso embenifo sia magani amagashia ani ehu amagahoho sawo penchemu bi afre 0267 084048 Jumedie so person so asene announce sponsor call your website www.allregionalgames.com. All Regional Games 2024 and Wollemongo.
So wallpapers papa to OP wallpapers and American for amount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say ye perhaps auto. Baby bia we wallpaper dear do Juma Biano. OP wallpapers Efro. Yaman wallpapers ebe macho blind curtains. A ban of bedside lamps and so OP MR types or mark shapes. Colors out nina. Ubenya biato ewana sweho. Say open LED backlight at the above flash screen a chia and also OP ebe more. So selfie ring lights, outdoor phone bishim, a OP wallpapers, and a bema selfie ring lights. OP Ewo Kumasi Doom, first floor, Nana Kwesiajman building name, Tafo GNTC building, first floor, and a chronom or barrier on the market and a DNM. So open wholesale and answer retail, any OP, any in South. Free OP, our 0540 353750.
The Mama Kwababa, Gentleman Dental. Gentleman Dental Clinic, you do my dear. Say BCC was saying, na yabo was saying Hobai Amawonum, and so Axi and I said, was saying animal yam so far and to my part. If you fixed one no, and I said, you type for a permanent one no, and also you see a ultimate aim to give, and no, and you feel the PFM bridge, and I say PFM crown. I feel you sign a cleaning services about your profession, no, your friend is killing and polishing. Say, Abia and never be as a cinema, said you Okasa, it's me, my pampan, and I the Ebo, no, Oba Gentleman Dental, you yet need to be a Gentleman Dental Clinic, you for Central Police Station and Chanwa, and I would do and kind so sway Wonungwa, and atomic down, Domekwa being a runabout on so and I would do Takwa the pipe one, traffic light and a pipe one, Yene OGN Bank and with the same premises, and a Kachiman so your magazine market a quine so and I say opposite AY Ambe, and I would do Kumasi Abrepo Junction, Total Filling Station wa traffic light na and if G runabout on free Total Filling Station, I have brought sign on a idio, a year you may free Eda Joda Popim Eda Memeda. With me, Afreya Homano, it was 055 913 9582.
And the demenim, I quite to me.
That's very cake bread. Medwa. Masa. Hey, I did come. Drawing in one. Wow. What is na bojino? Na bojiseno. Na hena no. Stay. What's in your masa? Ha! The fakro ya bruta. Face ya no. The donya mesa kwani e good. Ready? I say I click any adwuma. Ha! I click in. Masa drawing where dem will be that. I click any adwuma. Hwe. Face ya no. Enyinya, asanyinya. Masa
ni fakro abo ready e donya mesa. Ma ko e hera mana. Ha! I click it.
Drawing pa, I click here, Juma. Drawing, I click here.
It's a new technique.
Facia. Ha! Facia, no slow. So, Massa.
It's a new technique.
Massa for no tea, woman, Massa. So, more craft for near in the statue. And on my so that on bed, on bed drawn out to down. It's me, Pierce, no more, Massa.
Omoniati, black.
Share.
Whatever. I click in.
Baby.
Ha! I do it.
Oh, my son, drone just once. No, Mediama. Hey, what I do, I'm with you. Sir, I will do not cancel or cancel a father player. And you saw what Uncle for a drone at all down. Ha! Kumasi force when we are brutal. Akwe be bo a wagidi na sia no watimi adro na to down fellas ano. Ba be free Kofi. Ah. Kofi, your fast bra na we abosan kranfo na ye ne statue na de ndey. So wa Jonathan so wa. Be he. Your fast me jani mu ah. Ha. Oh my, Ambra. Kofi. Oh ya. Wo ni ati o. She. Make a travel one on the name na craft for and state to Kumasi for a day. Sure. We don't make a craft for. Sure. O ma drone boot now, massa. O ma drop on in aka home black. Hey. Hey, that Jimmy no wouldn't say artwork. Obey an one out Freddy. Hey. We don't want brush and boot in black. Sure. Hey, o massa ya man what tabani na massa. If I crowd draw with you so free a mass. Me join me because already hey. Emon Kumasi fortune do. What me draw you know. Na some didn't know. Hey! Let me find a dry boy. You ask your question boy. The don't say I am a catch roll. Masa Kumasi for no money.
Atena say ye man come on so sisi a nchi bia mempra kwamba yes mano ba ko enemy no bi na ye hya se ni ye nkomo ya toothpaste no ene ya toothbrush no so e wo market no so ba bia ba fa bia na nya na enti mo amora ne ye supermarket mo so amotonton ne ma e wo chese kwan ho ne chese tete ne ye kan se apampam store na obi atimi gibi ton household obi anso nya bi e de confie so e beboa pa ya toothpaste your Jazz Total Care, Jazz Herbal, and a Jazz Whiten and a Fay, Womenya a yell Duke and our Prince or Princess, and HS or Dashes, Nina, a toothbrushes out door, obey you see a day a brush with teeth, a bow, a match, I said, Moniam say a bow and nim a fell quinipamoa, over Ferry, ye Dunkoma would be a face school for now, my group studies in and also bet me at Shawadjane, our Brajas, a product, UUZB, anti fresh 0501. 390337 and I say 0501 390338 na Jazz toothpaste and a Jazz toothbrush no also waje wo dear Kulun Ghana Limited wo say yen control say man madro no araba basin tablet abeboa mo ba irregular menstrual flow afei e banisa won sem aye den ama wo yobia moja no entimi ne afusane oba obeso onya tinkawo fro enso e wo mpama droi enso and a beboa bema won so de Mr. Kill and no and a baby premature ejaculation low sperm count see mu aye severe o John Wanje and sexually what yaw and simple untimi and sepel yere untimi and it just so squeeze and not just a de and so awon pama wadrono aye Mr. Q and hunchu capsules ebeboa hunchu capsules ano and abema ojun so what yaw ojun so what sharp no bemam emutimi hihye obeso ball o prostate and so ban nyina no aye dread fanasa hunchu capsules ano ebedi wakagina mo pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops nyina mo aye 0244 275429 and 0206 271016 cloud internet abema internet nyumam omoma internet fie and into companies that sell banks nom any schools for a fee just institutions and simple institutions amobenya internet or just offices ni nyina mo money cloud empire for and kasaba bia obia no ombeba no maba ne kama enso amao omoma stable internet connection obenya just a wi-fi yebesa ma hotspot e ban se bia locks and wo digital security ones ni bia nyina no enso cloud internet empire for omo just a tech ekwan no so top high what they catch your mate ni anasa taxi driver and say onsu our top high enya yira kwa udra for 0244 601933 and I say 0202 699 Boris B chicken akukọ nam anwo ton enam nom halal trust say obi muslimini na so ye aduane ton na se nipa ne betobia on tomra entimi so ton am pan preko obenya full chicken obenya wings obenya de kan say gizzard and layers ni nyina no wonsa ebeka aswase market santas run about ye unity oil edi and hwena for poku trading and our doom 0544 44 4453 now Boris Beef Chicken and so enjoy so nyame Saturday and a Jumere can celebrity conference ebaso and past 6 o'clock we on my hene your dubuach Alvin and a Jumere is seen as resum ye at the free Genesis chapter 2 verse 24 I shall marry yawanyum to form of Kwame Jedu Dikin Sameba and a Mama Esther and so baby a Saturday ya I will Jubilee Park foundation na eji winsho FFO coach say on ya dear
nyame adum
okay na me mo akwa abanti ye ba so ababedi nkomo sisi meza na so ye wonu anu we no
me wo she me sister Penny on Penny o don di DK enim class amara
okay
Ruth or say to Ampofo. Mame and wishing a happy birthday and na nyame shano na onyane kese na the other name Sabesumbiano Enyisha Mrs.
Ruth or say to Ampo. Okay. Mate was about so now drew a sin for soon so a sin for so I honor a Ghana immigration school and a DSI Amwako ono a deputy superintendent of immigration and a DSI Amwako my namesake Makonta and so on a junior ranks a do say and so will be a my cam so show no I will see show from cry a do say and a fee ato emonso account nti ya domu nyina o ma say sabre bia no monetize ti no